Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of foldables with the latest rumors and leaks surrounding the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. Mark your calendars, tech enthusiasts, because these foldable powerhouses are here. Please support us by hitting the subscribe button. 90% of our viewers haven't subscribed yet. Samsung Z Fold 6. The Z Fold 6 is rumored to be a game-changer in the foldable market. Let's talk design first. Leaks suggest it might feature a slimmer profile than its predecessor, with an under-display camera for a truly uninterrupted screen experience when unfolded. Imagine watching videos or gaming on that expansive display. Immersive, right? Speaking of the display, rumors point towards a possible upgrade to a 120Hz refresh rate for both the cover screen and the main foldable display. This means smoother scrolling, better responsiveness, and an overall more premium user experience. Now, let's talk about the powerhouse under the hood. The Z Fold 6 is expected to be equipped with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, ensuring peak performance for multitasking, gaming, and running demanding applications. The good news doesn't stop there. The Z Fold 6 is officially available for pre-order from July 10, 2024, with general availability hitting stores on July 24th. Samsung Z Flip 6. The Z Flip 6, on the other hand, maintains its iconic compact design, but with some exciting upgrades. Sources suggest a larger cover screen compared to the previous Flip model, making it more functional for checking notifications, replying to messages, or even taking quick selfies without unfolding the phone. Durability is also a key focus, with rumors hinting at a stronger hinge and a more scratch-resistant foldable display material. Let's face it, durability is a major concern for foldables, and Samsung addressing this could be a big win. Just like the Z Fold 6, the Z Flip 6 is also available for pre-order started from July 10, 2024, with general release following on July 24th. What are your thoughts on these new releases? Are you excited to see the future of Samsung foldables? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news and updates.